Hello out there, welcome to my channel, and in this week video I will be sharing with you the step-by-step process to create your own LinkedIn newsletter. Newsletter is one of the important ways to increase your membership engagement or your followers engagement. So if you're looking for a way to engage more with your audience or follower as an individual or business, LinkedIn is a fantastic tool you can take advantage of. And for you to be able to create a LinkedIn newsletter, you need to meet up about 3 requirements. And the first one is that you should be able to abide by the community guidelines of LinkedIn, meaning that there are some certain things you could really post on LinkedIn, and there are some particular things that LinkedIn don't encourage their users to post. So you have to get to know these. Then the second is for you to create a newsletter on LinkedIn, you need to ensure that you have about 150 users. You need to have 150 followers that are already subscribed to your channel or to your page and they have been following you. And the third is you should ensure that you post original content, not the content that you share with other people, but your own real content. Now, I will share with you how this works so that we can be able to practicalize this in real situation. This is my LinkedIn account, and I've just logged into the account. You need to have an account with LinkedIn for you to be able to have access to these newsletters. So once you're done with this and you've met the 3 criteria I mentioned earlier, then it's time for you to create your own newsletter. So the first thing you should do is to click on Create Article. And once you click on Create Article, you will see that you have 2 segments. They will ask you, do you want to publish as an individual, which happen to be my name, or as a business? If you have a business account, you could also publish by that. So I would use this as individual, but the same thing applies to business. So let us use this individual to stimulate this process. Then once you check this, you click on Next. But if you are using business, you have to check the cycle in front of the business. But in my case, I want to use individual because I have over 150 followers and subscribers in my account. So you click on Next. And once you click Next, you see this important page where you can be able to put your content. I have already copied a content that I would like to share on this page. So I'll just click on paste these contents. Let me paste the contents. Okay, this is the content that I would like to share. Let me copy it. This is the subject first. You paste this under the subject heading, and the real content itself, you copy it wherever you have it in your system. And once you are done with that, let me pick the text that I'm about to share with you. So you may save your pictures in different areas. So you have to ensure that you locate where you have your content. And once you locate it, click on that content and copy. Or if you would like to possibly type from the beginning, the content is another thing you can do. But in this case, I already have the content. I will just paste it. And if you think there are some specific things that you would also like to do in terms of formatting, maybe reducing the space and the rest of things like that, you can do that. You can also try to add images if you so wish. And there are so many things you may be able to do. If you click on this plus sign, these are the different things. You can add image, you can add video, slides, links, snippets, and a whole lot of things just to ensure that the users enjoy reading your article. You can really still do so much with this. And if you are okay with that, try to upload your cover image, and you need to have an image that is about 1920 by 1080 pixels. So that means 1920 by 1080 pixels. So I already have a Canva that I just developed from Canva, an image I developed it from Canva. So you can go to Canva to develop your own or design your own image. So I'm good to go. If you still want to add any content, you're free to do that. And thereafter, you click on next in front of this. This is the name of my newsletter. You click on next. And once you are done, you can now type a summary. Like, for example, in this article, in this newsletter, I provided insights into the future of artificial intelligence, or you can shorten it AI, the future of AI in business. Kindly read to and put your content and say read to learn more. Just to encourage your readers that this is the summary of what you have. And if you look at that, you will see that there are some hashtags that may likely that they've suggested, and some of such is business, future, AI, and the essence of the hashtag is for the article to be posted or suggested to anyone looking for such kind of content. And the next is you just click on publish. And once you click on publish, if you are a subscriber to this channel, to this newsletter, you receive it in your inbox. And another advantage of having a newsletter is that you can also share it on your Facebook. If you link your Facebook account with the LinkedIn, you can share it. You can as well also share it on Twitter or share in your own groups. If you have any groups, you can even copy. You can get the link here. Maybe you want to share it on WhatsApp or Telegram. Just click on this copy and you can share with those people that you would love them to read the article. So that is the way you share and create your own LinkedIn. And if you see this particular newsletter, I currently have 2,238 subscribers that read this article. And you see, for example, let's say you are a business and you are posting information update about your business, and you have this kind of people on your platform. It shows that you may have a lot of people to read your content. And outside this, let me go to, if you are looking for a way to see other newsletter, you click on my network. And once you click on my network, you click newsletter. And from newsletter, these are the current newsletter that I subscribe to. So you can, once you have your own too here and I subscribe to it, it will appear here, or any of the newsletter that you subscribe to. And this is how you create your own newsletter. Remember, you can use newsletter to engage with your audience. You can use it to promote your brand and get more insights or feedback directly from your customers. And with this, we've come to the end of this week video. I would like you to subscribe to this channel and share it with friends, family, and professional colleagues, and anyone that you believe needs this content. See you next time.